Hi guys. So a trader recently got in touch with me and he was looking for a quick and easy way to download historical data for different kinds of securities like stocks, options, futures, and so on. And he also wanted the flexibility to download the data at different time frames like 5 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes, and then higher time frames like hourly, daily, and weekly. So I helped him build an Excel tool to download the historical data, and that is what I'll be showing you in this video. So this is the Excel tool, and as you can see, there are a couple of sections in this tool. The first section is the contract details section. In this section, we specify the details of the contract for which we want to download the historical data. So whether it's a stock contract, future contract, option contract, or an index. For a stock contract, we need to specify symbol, security type, exchange, and the currency. For a futures contract, we also need to specify the expiry. For option contract, we also need to specify the expiry, right, and the strike price. And then for an index, we just need to specify the symbol, security type, exchange, and the currency. Next, we have the download request details section. In this section, we specify the details of the historical data that we want to download. So what is the start date time converted to UTC, that is Universal Time Coordinated, or the Greenwich Mean Time? What is the end date time, again converted to UTC? What is the bar size? So whether it's 5 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes, hourly, daily, or the weekly time frame. What is the file name of the downloaded data? This is optional. If we do not specify anything in this column, this tool will automatically name the file based on the contract details and the download request details. And then finally, we have the request status column. In this column, Excel tool will display the current status of the download. So before I click on the start download data button, let's quickly take a look at the download request details. So for 5 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, and 5 minutes, we are requesting data from 27th October 2025 to 31st October 2025. So that is 5 days of data. For hourly time frame, we are requesting data from 1st October 2025 to 31st October 2025. So 1 month of data. For daily time frame, we are requesting data from 1st November 2024 to 31st October 2025. So 1 year of data. For weekly time frame, we are requesting data from 1st November 2020 to 31st October 2025. So 5 years of data. So I have logged into my Interactive Brokers TWS paper trading account. Now let's go back to Excel and click on start download. And once we do that, what this tool does is it first checks whether the details specified in the contract details section are valid. Then it checks whether the details specified in the download request details section are valid. And if they're valid, it then goes on to starting the download row by row. And as you can see right now, this is downloading first row of data, and it is downloading the second chunk. So what this tool does is, if the requested data is too large, it breaks down the request into multiple chunks and downloads them sequentially. So once the second chunk is downloaded, it will then request the third chunk and so on. The second chunk got downloaded and the third chunk also got downloaded, and the first row of data is finished downloading. Even the second row is now finished downloading, and now all the rows are done. So now let's take a look at the downloaded data. Let's first take a look at the 5-second data. So this is the file. So we have date, open, high, low, close, and the volume. Let's change the format of the date to also show the seconds. So we also add seconds here and click OK. Now let's see how much data we have. So we have 22,500 records, and it starts from 27th October 2025, 3:45 a.m. and it goes on till 31st October 2025, 9:59:55 a.m. Let's close this, and now let's take a look at hourly data. So we have around 142 records, and it starts from 1st of October 2025 and goes on till 31st October 2025, so around 1 month of data. Let's take a look at the daily data. So if you remember, we had requested daily data for around 1 year. So this starts from 4th of November 2024 and goes on till 31st October 2025. So I hope you liked this video. Let me know if you have any feedback, suggestions, or if you would like to share any specific problem that you face while trading.